Okay, so it's time to make our bump chart in Tableau. So I've got Tableau open and ready to go. Let's connect. Connect to the text file. It's output CSV. Yep, we did save it. That's good. Let's go to the sheet. And what do we want to do? We want weeks on the x-axis. We want to see it as a day, and we want to see it as a discrete day. Then we want to have a filter for category because we only want to see one category at a time. Whoops. Single value, let's just pick B. And then we want the rank to be on the y-axis. All right. And let's put the unique book ID into the detail. Yep. And we can actually move it to the color. Okay. First thing we want to do is we want to reverse this ranking, this axis. So let's tick that. And we don't need to see 0. What else do we want? We want to duplicate this and make the second one into a circle. And then we want to synchronize the axes. And then we no longer need that second axis. And then in the circles, we want to see the actual ranking value. And we want to see that in the center of the circle. Yep, that's looking pretty good. I'm just going to restrict it to only a few groups of weeks just to make it a bit neater. And then just fit the width. All right. So there we go. That's our bump chart. Looking pretty good. With the rank being in the circle, we no longer need that. Yeah. That is looking fine. Okay, nothing too flash, but a simple little bump chart. All right, so let's save that. Yep, save it anywhere, dummy data, that's fine. The next thing I want to show you is, now that we've created our visual with the dummy data, let's say we've gone ahead and finished our data prep and we've got our data output ready and we need to put that into here. So if I go to my desktop, I think I stored it somewhere. Yep, there it is. I'm just going to move it to desktop and then I'm going to put it into the folder. All right, so now it's inside the same folder. We're going to go new data source. It is, what sort of file is it? Yep, dummy data output. All right, that's all looking fine. Now we could, it's a simple chart. We could go ahead and recreate it. But we're going to be smart about it, so we're just going to replace it. So we go replace data source. So we want to replace the output with the output extract, correct. And it's going to throw us these errors because the columns are not named the same. All right. So first of all, category, we can go down here, replace reference, and replace it with the uppercase category. That's good. Unique book ID, we can replace that, and that's going to be the ISBN. Rank is just uppercase rank. Okay, and now we've got no visual because our filter is not working, and also we've got no visual because our date was filtering different dates that we created. All right, so we could go ahead and plonk that in there as well, and just restrict our dates a tiny bit if we wanted to. All right, so there we go. We can see each book, and probably in this case here, we'd also add the the book name. So where is it? Title probably into the all one. Title tooltip maybe. Yeah, we can muck around from there, but that's the point. We've got the data and we're ready to go. Okay, so that concludes this video.